Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 14th video in JavaFX 10 GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned how you can create toggle button in JavaFX. So this is from the previous video. In this video we are going to create a radio button in JavaFX. So now let's get started. I'm going to create a new JavaFX application file. So new JavaFX application, I call it my radio button. Okay, after this let me just change the title to the stage, and first I need to set title to my stage. Set title, and I call it JavaFX radio button. Okay, now after this let me create a Hbox layout. So I call it root and new Hbox, and you can set the padding and spacing to your Hbox. So let me first set the padding, set padding, and you in sets, this is 10, the top right bottom left should be 10, and root dot set spacing, I want to give it 10 spacing. Okay, now this is my Hbox. After this let me create a toggle group. So toggle group and new toggle group. Okay, after creating toggle group, let me just create radio buttons. So first radio button, I call it football, new radio button, and the text should be football. Okay, and now I want to add this radio button to the toggle group. So football dot set toggle group and the group. And also I want to make this selected. So football dot set selected and make it true. Okay, now this is my first radio button. After this I'm going to create another one, radio button for the cricket, new radio button, cricket, cricket dot set toggle group to the group, and another radio button, this is for the tennis. So new radio button, and the text should be tennis. Okay, and also set this to the toggle group, tennis dot set toggle group and group, give the toggle group object. Now we have created our 3 toggle buttons. After this we are going to add this to our root. So root dot get children dot add all. I want to add the football, I want to add the cricket, and I want to add the tennis. And let me create a scene, new scene, root 400, the width and height 400 and 400. Set your scene to the stage. So stage dot set scene, and at the end show your stage. So stage dot show. Now let me run it and run my radio button. So now the compilation is completed and I'm waiting. Okay, now we have 3 radio buttons. Sometimes you need to add an icon. For example, I want to add a football icon here, a cricket icon, and a tennis icon. So how you can add this? For this, let me just find some icons and I will show you that how you can add. So now I have found some icons, so I have added a folder and I have copied my icons to that folder. After this, now for example, for the first radio button I want to set the icon. So first let me create a file input stream that is related to java.io class. I call it in1 and new input stream. New file input stream, new file input stream, and in here in this section you can add your file name. So okay, that is my folder name is image, and my image name is football.png. okay, now it will throw you can see an handled exception of its file not found exception. So you can alt enter, you can surround with try catch, but the simplest way is that add exception, and it will throw if you check in here you can see it throws a file not found exception. After this we are going to create image object. So image, you can see make sure that you choose javafx.scene.image, not java.ewt. so choose this and I call it m1 and new image, add your in1 in here. After this, create an image view, and I call it image view, new image view, and add your image one in here. Okay, after this now we need to set this to our radio button. So football dot set graphic, and I want to set the image view. So now I'm going to run my application, and hopefully I don't get any error, and I'm waiting for this. The compilation successfully completed. Okay, now you can see I have a nice icon for this football icon. Let me just add this icon to my these two. I want to just copy this because this is the process is the same. So let me just copy this and add this in my Cricut button. So change this to in2, and this is cricut.png, and this is in2, and image view 2, im2, and image view 2. So also let me just copy this Cricut and paste it in here. Okay, now let me run it, and I will see an icon image for the Cricut. Okay, now you can see I have an image for this Cricut, also for the tennis. Let me just copy this and paste it in here. So this is in3, and this is tennis.png, and im3, and this is image view 3, im3, and make it 3, and this is tennis. Let me just copy this and paste it in here. Now I'm going to run my application. compilation is completed. Okay, now you can see we have 3 radio buttons like this. So thank you guys. If you have any question or suggestion, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.